Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to find recently used CapCut templates. So if you have your favorite templates on CapCut and you want to find where is the templates, you can actually find it at the edit page here on CapCut, and here there is edit and also there is templates. So you can just go to templates, and here you'll find the video that you created from the template, so you can see it in here. Or if you like have your favorite templates, you can just do this instead. So here, for example, I really like this template. So what you guys need to do is make this template as your favorite. So just click on the love icon and it will be added to your favorite templates, and you can find it in your profile. Go to me here, and here is the likes templates, and when you do that you can easily find it on your profile. So if you want to use it someday, you can just find it in your profile, and then here you can find your favorite templates. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.